the voice of His Holiness is so spiritual, so beautiful, so amazing. And we have played sarod with my sons Amaan Ali Bangash, Ayaan Ali Bangash. We are playing sarod with the voice of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. So we are here to offer this award, Grammy Award, to the Holiness the Dalai Lama.
Ali Khan sigire. Di gawarumchi ngeja tanda Grammy Award la chi yore. Di zambuli nalo da di award tanda baja thone kera chishu dire. Di gawarumchi tab nambre. Khasan chinda ngiba nalo. Di tari Quran zu di puga yombe yinsigidu di Grammy Award. Pala da punyi di ngema lao tenkashi je nambre. Make sure you look up.
My son.
First we'll get blessings first, one by one.
Yeah.
Who comes first? You come. Now make sure you look up. Dhamu de jaga now. Make sure you look up. Yeah.
आप इधर आ
The Quran puni ga shaitan. 1 minute. Just get them blessings.
you will just
Get the blessing. Okay.
We congratulate you on earning a Grammy Award as a fellow artist. Congratulations, Your Holiness.
If you look here, please. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Saying it's quite heavy.
It was always it's a blessing and a very divine moment and a very divine experience as always. हम लोग बहुत दफा पहले भी we've got his blessings of His Holiness. I think it's the 5th time we're meeting him, but this time with a Grammy. So God's been very kind and thank you.
Did you have any special conversation with His Holiness?
No, he just blessed us. He, I think, recognized my father and my brother in me. He just blessed us. We touched his feet and he gave us his blessings.
And we are so grateful to the Recording Academy for bestowing this honor to this album, and it's such a blessing to have met His Holiness again. We had performed for his 80th birthday and now it's like a full circle. We were able to come here and present his Grammy to His Holiness. So really such a blessed moment.
I think anybody can get Grammy, but we have to be more tolerant and patient. I'm very unhappy that there is a disturbance in the world. People are still killing each other on account of religion. I belong to every religion of the world. This is what I have heard. I have learned from His Holiness Dalai Lama that our family belong to every religion of the world. Our family belong to every religion of India. Why should we fight on account of religion? We all have a red blood. We all have a common. Common blood. We have a common. We must help each other. If we can't help each other, we should not destroy each other. So, music and the voice, spiritual voice of His Holiness Dalai Lama, and our music, Amaan, Ayaan, our music gave this Grammy Award. And I'm sure whoever is tolerant, patient, all the young musicians should also get Grammy Award. And a lot of musicians have got it also. But we are very fortunate to have met His Holiness Dalai Lama Ji. We have a relationship of 40 years. On his 80th birthday, we performed in Delhi. And he's very kind. His message of peace and tolerance. So it is our combined effort that we want to see world absolutely in harmony and peace. And this is what we are very, very fortunate to have His Holiness Dalai Lama in our life. And we pray to God that he should live for 100 years. Thank you very much.